In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up budgets in Odoo Accounting. We'll walk through the full process of creating a budget, defining the key details, adding budget lines, and then using reporting to track performance over time. This is a useful feature if you want better control over planned expenses and a clear view of how your actual results compare against what was originally budgeted. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. Once you're inside the accounting module, go to the accounting menu and select budgets. This is where you can view existing budgets and create new ones. Next, click new to create a new budget. Odoo will open a budget form where you can start entering the main information. First, enter a budget name. Choose a clear name that helps identify the purpose of the budget, especially if your company manages several budgets at once. After that, select the responsible person who will manage the budget. This helps assign ownership and makes it easier to keep track of who is overseeing the budget's progress. Then choose the appropriate budget type, such as expense, depending on what kind of budget you are setting up. Now set the budget period. Make sure the dates match the time frame you want to monitor, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Also confirm that the correct company is selected, especially if your Odoo database includes more than one company. This step is important because the budget will be tied to that specific company's financial data. Once the main details are complete, move down to the budget lines section and click Add a line. For each line, select the appropriate analytic plan or account. This determines where the budget will be applied and how Odoo will compare the planned amount to actual activity. Then enter the committed or budgeted amount for that line. If needed, edit additional budget lines the same way. This is helpful when you want to break the budget into different categories, departments, or cost areas. As you build the budget, take a moment to review the details and amounts carefully to make sure everything is accurate before activating it. When you're satisfied, click Open to activate the budget. At this point, the budget becomes active and ready for tracking. To monitor results, use the budget report. This allows you to compare budgeted amounts against actual performance, making it easier to spot overspending or stay aligned with financial goals. Finally, when the budget period is complete, mark the budget as done. This closes the process and helps keep your budget records organized. Thanks for watching.